Hi, my name is Lila, and this is the Lennox HCC16-28 Healthy Climate Filter. It's a MERV 16 filter, which is one step down from having a true HEPA system in your home. It helps eliminate allergens, mold, pet dander, and it's also carbon coated, which helps eliminate odors in your home. This filter is a 16 by 25 by 5 filter, and it fits the Lennox HCC16-28 air cleaner. It's recommended to be replaced 1 or 2 times per year. If you have any questions, give our customer service team a call and they'll be happy to help. Thanks.